That picture says so. She is a pregnant woman in 30 weeks. Uterus has started contraction. The patient is feeling pain, and you see that this is a true labor pain. False labor pain भी होता है, but this is a true labor pain. Means the uterus is actually contracting. That resulting to it's not my time. So if there is not time, we have to buy some time. At least 4 hafta more. So these uterine relaxants, also known as tocolytics, these are the drugs which decrease uterine motility, delay or postpone labor, arrest threatened abortion, and used in dysmenorrhea. So these are the drugs. The drug of choice here is this group. Adrenergic agonist, precisely beta-2 agonist. Ritodrine, salbutamol, terbutaline, isoxsuprine. Isoxsuprine मैंने भी बहुत use किया, and it is very much effective. How does it work? What is the mechanism of Ritodrine, isoxsuprine, etc.? How salbutamol is causing uterine relaxant? Answer is there, easy है. Just आँखें और दिमाग को थोड़ा खुला रखो, मिल जाएगा आंसर. Smooth muscle. Beta-2 agonist, it causes smooth muscle relaxation. Okay, so that's why this is the best drug of choice. What could be the contraindications? As well as तुम salbutamol दे रहे हो, तुम as well as salbutamol दे रहे हो ना, तो contraindication कैसे होगा? Beta blockers are contraindicated, not beta agonist. Okay, yeah, in one sense, हो सकता है bleeding. Bleeding means placenta is getting already separating, so हमको बच्चा नहीं रखना है, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. What next? Now postpartum, this is uterine relaxant. अगर पोस्ट डिलीवरी हो गया मतलब रिलैक्स करने का मतलब नहीं है, हमको तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है.